Yes, everyone. Hope you're good. I'm back with the videos now. I've had a bit of trouble with my computer. Things are a little bit laggy for some reason. Not sure if anyone has any idea how to fix this. As you can see, I'm a little bit laggy. Don't know what the issue is. Tried many things. Anyway, no trades today, but as promised, I will show you yesterday's trade that I took. So, what you can see now, clearly, first of all, price has been bullish for a long period of time. This is the 4-hour time frame. We're trading GU. So price was bullish for a long period of time. What I noticed last week, pretty sure, yeah, last week, that price broke out of this bullish continuation which we had. So price broke out of the higher low here, which you can see I've got marked, to then create lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And this is where price is currently at. Potentially we're going to get a double top and looking for that continuation. If you know how market structure works, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you don't, well, I will create a video on just market structure, and I have covered it in other videos. So maybe have a look back in previous videos. So, with all this being said, yesterday when I come to the market, so I'll show you, this is where I come to the markets yesterday. I'll close that, and you can see here now clearly. So yesterday when I come to the markets, I could see that price had been creating lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Now price pulled back into this key area of resistance, which is this level here. So we've pulled back into the previous lower low. We've seen the wicks, and I've seen bearish momentum coming in. Now when I come to the charts at the 6 a.m. candle close, which you can see, this is the 2 a.m. till 6 a.m. candle close, I was looking for the bearish continuation, looking to target these lows here. So I went onto my 5-minute time frame, which is here. And if you know how I trade, I placed this vertical line to show me the last 5-minute candle within the 4H time frame. And I put the vertical line here to show me the candle close. So in this case, if I'm looking for sells and I'm looking for the bearish continuation, I want to see price pull back on the 5-minute time frame. This will then give me a wick on the 4H, and this will be the time where an opportunity is created for me where I can get into a trade, because I'll look for the pullback to create a wick, and then when I see bearish momentum stepping back in, I will place my sell stop in anticipation that I will get triggered in with momentum. So with that being said, let's play. Let's do some bars. So here now you can see price has pulled back beyond or above this line to create a wick. Now, I was on the 1 minute just to see what was going on in the lower time frames, and I was looking for that bearish momentum. Now, I had this level marked because I could see that price had created this. So this was potentially the lower high before creating the lower low. But I put my stop loss above this level just to be safe. So I'll go back onto the 1 minute time frame, and I was just looking for that bearish momentum coming in. So you could see that bearish momentum come in, and I think by this point I'd already placed my sell stop. So with the next candle, I might have got triggered in with that one actually. Next candle definitely got triggered in. So I was in the trade, everything was looking good. Price pulled in my direction. It went back to break even, but I'd not gone break even at this point. And you can see price started pushing bearish. I'd still not gone break even, but then I went break even here because I'd gone 1% up. And that's the rule. If I go 1-to-1, targeting a 1-to-2 risk to reward, then I will go break even. So things were looking good. And, I was quite happy with the trade. And at this point, I think I just started cooking my eggs in the morning, and I seen that price pushed bearish. Now, I was literally at this point about to close the trade manually, but I didn't because I was cooking my eggs, and I just thought, I'll do it in a second. Anyway, that second soon passed, and I seen price started to pull back, and I thought, right, well, we are in a key area of resistance, which you can see here. You can see that on the 4-hour time frame, which I'll go back to. And I thought, I'm just going to monitor closely. Price pulled up to here. I was thinking, I just didn't quite like the idea of it. I thought I'm going to just give it another few minutes, see what happens. And if price starts pulling back down, then I'll continue to hold. If not, I'm just going to close and just take whatever profit I had. Now, the lot size that I used wasn't the correct lot size. I will place the trade in this video. I'll show you it now. So I didn't make as much money as I'd hoped, but just a mistake that I made. Anyway, at this point, I think I'd manually closed it. I'd closed it around here. I'm pretty sure it was this area. I'll just have to double check. But I closed the trade manually, and then basically it was a great decision because price just then pulled all the way back and would have got tagged down. Now, you know, the thing is, it could have continued to push down, but my instinct told me close. The buyers will be in the market at this level. Don't know. My instinct told me to close it. I closed it, and what do you know? It would, you know, it was a great choice. So, going forward, let's just skip to the current day, the current time in the market. You can clearly see how price is behaving at the minute. You can clearly see this has been an uptrend. You can clearly see this was a downtrend. Do you see the patterns? When price breaks out of a major area within the market, whether it be the high low, like so, price then continues in the opposite direction. Same in this instance here. Price has been pushing bearish. We break out of the major lower high here, and then we get the continuation. Now price has been pushing bullish. We broke out of the major higher low, and now price is pushing bearish. So I'm not sure whether I just got my words confused there a second ago. We'll carry on. You'll understand what I mean if I did. Anyway, so what I'm looking at now is, let's get rid of this. I don't want to see that there. What I'm looking for now is price has created lower low, lower high, lower low. Now, we could potentially hold this level. Now, price has broken close below this, but that doesn't mean it's definitely going to go bullish. And to be honest, we could definitely go bearish from here to get this continuation. Sometimes you get a breakout and it breaks back in. So look on the 1 hour. See, it's broke out and it's broke back in. The 5-minute structure looks bearish, as you can see. Broke out structure, double tops, and we continue to make low lows, lower highs. So going into tomorrow, all being well, I'm going to see how things develop overnight, and I'll probably be looking for sells. And I've not been taking any buys or looking for any buys. I've just been looking to take sells. I'm just looking at the minute to take the highest probability trades, simply because I just want to make the FTMO challenge as simple as possible for me. I just want to get my money and move on. Basically, I don't need to be taking risky trades. Just take the highest probability setups. That's all you need to do. So, yeah, hope that makes sense. You can clearly see. I hope you can clearly see what I'm talking about. Price is bearish until proven otherwise. And that's it, basically. So, a little bit of information there for you, a little bit of technical analysis, a little bit of market structure, how market structure works. Hopefully, I made that clear. Now, I should be back with the videos. I'm actually going away this weekend. It's my birthday. Next week, got a bit of family stuff this weekend. We'll see. We'll see how I can do with videos, but things are going to be a little bit here and there for the next week or so. So just bear with me, and I'll try and do my best. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that one. Take care. Hopefully back tomorrow with a winning trade for you all. Or losing. Doesn't matter. See you in the next one. Cheers.